Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where smart choices start. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best go-kart racing protective helmet you can buy right now. The ILM Youth ATV helmet, model Z705 in matte black, size large. If you're looking for serious protection, thoughtful design, and all the extras in one box, this is the helmet you need to know about. Let's kick things off with what makes this helmet stand out from the pack: dual safety certifications. That's right, this helmet is both .FM VSS number 218 and ECE 22.06 certified. That means it's been rigorously tested and meets some of the highest safety standards around the globe. Whether your kid is tearing up dirt trails on an ATV, zooming in a go-kart, or hitting a BMX track, this helmet is built to take the hits and keep them safe. Now, one of the first things you'll notice when holding this helmet is how lightweight it feels. At just 2.4 pounds or about 1.1 kilograms, it's 20% lighter than most other helmets in the same category. Compared to adult ATV helmets, it's a whopping 40% lighter. That reduction in weight is crucial for young riders because it reduces strain on the neck and cervical spine, especially during long rides or races. But ILM didn't stop at just making a safe and lightweight helmet. They packed it with value. This is a 4-in-1 bundle. Along with the helmet, you're getting a pair of rugged motorcycle gloves, a snug balaclava face mask, and UV-resistant goggles that are cushioned with soft sponge for all-day comfort. So instead of scrambling to find each piece separately, everything you need to get started is included right out of the box. Let's talk design and comfort. The sun visor is both removable and adjustable, giving young riders the flexibility to customize their view based on lighting or terrain. Whether it's a bright sunny afternoon or a shaded trail, they can adjust it on the go. The helmet also features a robust quick-release buckle system that makes it incredibly easy to take off and put on without struggling with straps, a huge win for kids and parents alike. Ventilation is another area where the Z705 shines. It has a series of thoughtfully placed air vents that maximize airflow, keeping the rider cool during intense rides. Inside, the cheek pads are removable and breathable, absorbing sweat while still feeling plush against the skin. The helmet shell is crafted from a high-quality ABS material, and the internal liner is made from high-density EPS foam, a combo that ensures both impact absorption and durability. It's for young riders who are serious about dirt biking, BMX, motocross, go-karting, or any off-road adventure. It's ideal for parents who want a helmet that doesn't compromise on safety or comfort, while also giving their child a complete riding kit in one go. To sum it all up, the ILM Youth ATV helmet model Z705 checks all the boxes: dual safety certified, ultra lightweight, stylish, and packed with extras. It's not just a helmet, it's a total riding solution. That wraps up today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on our deep dives into the best gear out there. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.